guys, this is Ranjana. Today I'm coloring my hair. I'm going to be using the Garnier Color Naturals in the shade 6.60 Intense Red. This is how the outer packaging looks. So when you open it, you get the developer, a colorant, a pair of gloves, conditioner and some instructions. So this is the colorant tube. A single pack will be sufficient if you have short or shoulder length hair. If you have really long hair, you might require 2 packs. This is how the developer looks. Then you have the conditioner, a pair of gloves and the set of instructions. Then you will be needing a bowl such as this. Please make sure that you use a glass or a plastic bowl, as a metal bowl may react with the hair coloring chemicals. You will be needing a hair coloring brush such as this, and of course a comb to section your hair. First you need to take the colorant and pierce open the nozzle. Empty the contents into the bowl. Next you take the developer and empty the contents into the bowl. Now mix the 2 ingredients using the hair coloring brush. You should get a nice even mixture such as this. Next you will be needing Vaseline petroleum jelly. I didn't have it, so I used regular Vaseline Cocoa Glow instead. You need to apply the Vaseline along your hairline so that the hair color doesn't stick to your skin. And now I put on my gloves and get ready for coloring. And now we start the hair coloring process. Now you take your hair color and apply it using the hair brush in even sections on your hair. Spread it out a bit so that the hair color gets evenly distributed in your hair. I am doing random sections as I thought it would give me a more natural look. You can do proper sections using butterfly clips to get a more neat look. Now you can repeat the same process to different sections of your hair. Now this is a really messy process, you guys. I suggest doing this wearing an old t-shirt in the comfort of your bathroom so that it becomes easy to clean up later. I use the entire pack for my shoulder length hair. So if you have longer hair, you may require 2 packs. The pack suggests that you leave the color on for 45 minutes. But if you want an intense color, you need to leave it for a longer period. So this is how it looks when you're done. I have pinned my hair up like this. And as you can see, I have completely destroyed my t-shirt. So yeah, please use an old t-shirt. So I washed my hair just with the conditioner that was provided in the pack. This is how my hair looks semi-dry. I had let the color sit in for about an hour before washing. So guys, this is the end result. As you can see, the color didn't show up as bright as I wanted it to be, but it did show up. but not as bright as I wanted it to be. A teeny bit disappointed, but it still looks good. So this is how the color looks in natural sunlight, you guys. It's not as vibrant as I wanted it to be, but it's still fine. The color seemed to be more prominent in my highlights, which I had done a few months back. And this is how it looks in the back. So guys, please do try it out and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. So that's it for this video. See you in my next video. Bye.